discount code JacobVile when you shop.
My name's Frankie Fry. I have 2 Def Fonts DB4518Rs on 2 AAK 8,000 watt amps. 2 over Joel. Okay.
Years ago,
6 order. Got what the tune.
Oh, that's the back port. Okay, it looked like it blended in.
Nice.
I like it. Did you build this enclosure too?
Yeah, me and my buddy built it.
Okay. You know your tunings on it at all?
I don't know the tunings right off hand or right off rim.
Okay.
Got the 218s in there, switched it up from the 8 and the 812s, 302s. Nice. Got the big boy subs.
Oh yeah. Have you tried mounting it regular, or do you like it inverted, or is there a reason you did?
I like it inverted for right now. I might be able to do it since that is like almost like a quad baffle.
Yeah.
I could probably possibly flip them all. But I guess since we're in Florida, we have the mounting, you know, the being so hot as it is.
Yeah, it helps it breathe better.
Help it breathe and cool off a lot better.
What was your lithium and alternator power?
I got a DC power 300 amp, and I have 240 amp Kinglong.
Okay. All right.
6 banks.
Yeah. We'll go look at the back.
Best I got so far is like 157.3.
These are cleaner sounding, maybe a little less power, but you can play a little safer and all around better quality.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Reinforced, yeah, you can't go wrong.
Oh yeah. Here, man. and good bandwidth.
Yeah, I mean, that's insane.
Good code control down to 50 hertz on that song. I like it. And really good bandwidth.
Something different for than anything like drum and bass. You would think drum and bass.
Yeah,
would
just
have-
yeah, it did pretty good though, man. I like it. Nice job.
But that artist, actually, I got that song from was this guy right there.
Rat Cat. Okay.
Rat Cat.
Yeah. Awesome. Hey, appreciate the demo, man. What was your name again?
Frankie.
Frankie. All right, Frankie.